We are going to deal with a very different kind of chapter, which is a short story, which means The Passion of Mary, written by Sarah Joseph. As you know that Sarah Joseph is an acclaimed novelist and short story writer in Malayalam. And then this particular story, The Passion of Mary, is about the story of Mother Mary. Many of us must have watched the movie The Passion of Christ, right? And in that, how it is, and at the end there is a scene where Mother Mary is shown when Jesus is crucified. Mother Mary is sitting on the sand and she's grabbing sand, which like suppressing all her pain, and then she's leaving it, right? This particular story is about the Passion of Mary, how Mother Mary remembers about Jesus, and then how at that time when Jesus was being crucified, or Jesus was caught, or there was the terror that Jesus will be caught and will be killed. At that time, what are the emotions that are going through in the mind of Mother Mary is what we see in this particular short story, like how that is a very thunderous night, and then she's sitting there, she's longing for some footsteps, and she's every time she's hoping that it is Jesus, and then she's wishing that if she at least if once he come back home, I'm never going to let him go. And Mother Mary knows that it is not in her hands, it is it is the will of God that would work, because even Jesus was born for the will of God and to serve God. So she is like, she's not sure, or just juxtapose the two facts, that one side she has to obey God, and whatever God decides she's obliged to follow it. And the other thing, she's a mother, she's Jesus' mother, and how she feels, how a mother feels, the pain, the terror that her only son is going to be killed. And throughout that, emotions of Mother Mary is shown in this particular short story, how she feels, how she thinks of everything. And today is Mary's sacrifice, it is repeated again and again. Today is Mary's sacrifice, today is Mary's sacrifice, it is repeated again and again. And then she is like waiting, she wished to know that Jesus is coming back, or Jesus is, at least once if he come, I'm not going to let him go. She thinks so many ways, and at the same time she thinks that it is the will of God and she should follow it. And then she remembered Jesus, like she, even in dream she saw Jesus with a red cloak, and seems like the red cloak is dripping with blood and all. She comes to know that they are looking for Jesus, they are trying to catch him, etc. So she is like really sitting in the kitchen wall, how a mother feels. That emotions of Mother Mary is never thought by anyone, how she must have felt that night when Jesus is going to be caught. And that is beautifully presented by Sarah Joseph, and it's a must read to all of you. And this story ends like saying, Mary clasped his red cloak close to her chest. Son, Amma will not sleep. Mothers have no sleep. Like mothers, they cannot sleep at all. They will have no sleep. They have to be always vigil. They have to be always waiting for their children. They always cannot sleep without assuring that their children are safe. And in that way, how a mother feels, the emotions of a mother is being shown here. And I'm sure nobody must have thought in this way, like how Mother Mary must have felt that night when Jesus was going to be caught. So that makes this work a special one, and I want all of you to read it thoroughly with line by line, so that you can understand those emotions of Mother Mary more clear and more lifelike. Okay, thank you.